Hi, today me and my friend is checking out a place in Ampang, the hidden Korean food that is run by a couple. So apparently it's a very shabby shop, then it's a bit hard to find because they don't have lights outside, so come and check it out.
Number 2, no place. Yeah.
Army stew, this one.
Yeah.
One of these.
Yeah.
Pork BBQ.
Minimum 2%.
Okay.
1, 2. Samgyeopsal minimum 2%. Yeah.
This one also 2%?
It's very big.
One. This one, one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay. 1, 2.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
One Coke.
Coca-Cola 100.
100 plus.
Yeah.
2.
100 plus 2.
Yeah, 2.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Along with our food.
Yeah. I tried it in track, but I think it's just so
Having army stew, of course the Maggi ramyeon is a must.
Look nice, look nice.
Ham, got tofu, got sausage.
Yes.
So after 1 hour wait, we are all going to eat. So the best part is the cutleries. You see what the cutleries is? Using this kind of bowl, xiao. This one hungry there. 1 hour.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
So we're gonna dig in now. They said this place is very home cooked version. Let's see how home cooked it is. We try with the tuba BBQ. Classic style, lay flat, very nice, thick smell, thick taste. Oh, this one how it?
Wow, glass noodle.
Glass noodle.
So it's 2 noodles.
No need. So the most important for army stew is try the soup. Oh, very different. It's very Korean home cooked style. A bit sweet, a bit sourish, and it's a very tteokbokki kind of sauce thing. Yep, it's good. Not the usual type you can get in any other Korean restaurants. This one is really, really good. Agree as well.
Yeah.
So we're gonna continue eating. We're gonna say bye. Saja bảo bye.
Then later we decide whether we'll go for lunch or not.
Okay, how to make it stand. Okay, yes you can. Right and not the place. Right at the angle. You see the video there. Correct? No?
Yeah.
Can see some of the food also, right?
Cannot see the food at all.
No, it's okay.
Only can see you.
I have to mind the space too tight.
Try the food, is it?
Yeah, never mind.
Showing your neighbor also. Showing your neighbor.
It's okay. Oh,
Nice, nice.
the food then plain. Nice introduction.
Nice.
Yeah.
As per the blog, so I think yeah, really good. Even I saw a lot of review also mention it's like not bad. TripAdvisor also recommending.
TripAdvisor,
Yeah.
but I never trust TripAdvisor and manipulative area. I will trust Google and Facebook more.
There is one Penang cookie video. How about that?
It's the same one, man?
It's the same one.
I think and foodie is the same group.
I thought they are from Penang.
Yeah.
They do the serious.
Yeah, hey, you take the
Okay.
noodle already. Noodle kaya liao.
Can.
Oh, the top fat.
Yeah, very bad.
The fermented sauce is damn good. I need to put kimchi in over here. Kembang ya.
Are you not eating?
Oh, I got one whole bowl here.
Is it?
Yeah, just now I saw kembang already, pasta thing.
Okay. Not already.
You eat so little one, man?
Yours is bigger than me, no? Hello.
Hmm?
Okay, lah, eat more. Later you eat more.
Now I know your CC already.
So sad, that.
Wow, damn hot. Wonder what they cook in there. Quite sweet, no?
Radish, carrot.
And the sour, it's really like tteokbokki sauce that I tried in Korea. the longer it cooks, the more thick the soup is really.
Yeah.
I think they're using normal, not the spam.
So how frequent you go to Sri Petaling to meet your friends? Not
Sorry?
really, is it?
Huh?
I mean, how frequent you go to Sri Petaling?
Rarely.
Rarely. Only by like impromptu meetup or what?
Impromptu meetup. Cause quite far from my house.
But I can recommend that there is one Thai food in Sri Petaling is really nice.
Which one?
In Sri Petaling, Thai food. You eat Thai food? Thai food.
You could call Thai food?
Thai food. Yeah. So it's really authentic as well. The mom is actually from South Thailand.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. What's the name of the shop?
I can't remember. Just now Hojak was recommending.
Who?
Hojak. You know the
Hojak.
Hojak TV program, the food program. But I have tried it personally, it's very nice. Especially if you like pork, right? They have like pork knuckle. Yeah.
Ah, you send me the shop of the name?
Can.
The sausage so big one.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
I saw Penang they are selling a Mon-Sun burger. Is that true?
Yeah.
Have you tried?
No lah, I'm in KL, how to try? You can do at home, right? You buy a patty, then you go and correct 24 something, then after that, do yourself. But I don't think I want to spoil my typical Ramly burger.
Your typical Ramly burger.
Ramly burger is supposed to be Ramly burger. Not to modernize it. Enough.
Still got some.
So we're gonna continue eating. We're gonna say bye.